Your coworker speaks too fast in a project meeting. You miss a key task. What do you say? Speak slowly. That sounds like a command. It may sound too direct at work. What is a better answer? Welcome to English Mastery Buddy. Today, you'll learn 5 polite, practical workplace phrases. Could you say that again, a little more slowly? Answer number 1. You can use it right away at work. It is Monday morning, and an important project meeting is starting. Maya has just joined the company's checkout improvement project. Daniel, her manager, is giving the team an update very quickly. The client moved the review to Thursday. The mobile build goes to QA. Please send the revised timeline before lunch. Maya heard Thursday, but she missed the 2 action items. Which sounds better, repeat, or the polite question? The longer, polite version works better at work. The words "could you turn a command into a respectful workplace request?" The words "a little more slowly" explain exactly how Daniel can help her. Could you say that again, a little more slowly? Of course. Send the mobile build to QA and send the revised timeline before lunch. Could you say that again? A little more slowly? Could you say that again, a little more slowly? Keep your voice calm and friendly. Your coworker speaks quickly, and you miss one important sentence. Ask your coworker to repeat it more slowly. Maya can hear the individual tasks more clearly now. However, she still does not understand their correct order. She needs Daniel to explain the whole process step by step. Should Maya ask Daniel to repeat the same sentence again? Or should she ask him to explain the steps? Could you walk me through that? It means, show me how to do it, one step at a time. Use it when simple repetition alone does not solve your problem. First, update the timeline. Then, send the mobile build to QA. Finally, prepare for Thursday's review. Imagine your manager shows you a completely new reporting system. You understand the final goal, but not the individual steps. Complete the request. Could you blank me through that? Could you walk me through that? Could you walk me through the approval process? It works for a workflow, document, app, or new tool. Maya understands the steps, but one important deadline remains unclear. Did Daniel mean before lunch today, just a few hours from now? Or did he mean before the client meeting on Thursday? Just to make sure I understood. You mean I should send the revised timeline before noon today? Right? This phrase does more than ask Daniel to repeat himself. Maya clearly says what she thinks she heard in the meeting. Daniel can confirm it or correct a detail. Yes, please send it before noon today. Maya writes the confirmed deadline in her project notebook. One clear confirmation keeps her from sending the timeline late. Your manager says the report is for the Friday morning meeting. You heard Thursday afternoon. Confirm your understanding now. Just to make sure I understood, the report is due Thursday afternoon, right? Just to make sure I understood. Now add the detail. You mean Thursday afternoon, right? You are checking an important detail, not challenging your manager. The deadline is clear, but one workplace expression is still unfamiliar. Daniel said QA needs the mobile build. Maya is not sure what QA means in this project. What do you mean by QA? This focused question is direct, polite, and natural in American English. It asks about one exact word, abbreviation, or technical phrase. Could you clarify what you mean by QA? Clarify means to make something clearer. Both options work well. Choose the shorter question for an everyday workplace conversation. QA means quality assurance. QA reviews the mobile build before launch. Now Maya understands why the mobile build must go to QA. A coworker says, "We need stakeholders sign-off." You do not understand sign-off. Which polite phrase should you use? What do you mean by sign-off? Be honest when a key work term is unclear. A short, specific question is more professional than a silent mistake. Maya finally understands everything Daniel explained during the meeting. However, she must remember 3 important action items. She needs the key details in writing after the meeting. Could you put the key details in the chat? This request is polite, practical, and common in online meetings. It gives every team member the same accurate written information. Could you send me the key details in writing? Try it after a call or a meeting at work. Ask for the key details, not a transcript of every word. 1. Update the timeline before noon. 2. Send the mobile build to QA. 3. Prepare for Thursday's client review. Maya can now work confidently. Now, name all 5 jobs from memory. Ask for slower repetition. Have them walk you through it. Confirm your understanding. Ask about one term. Get it in writing. Listen to a new project update. We're moving the demo to Tuesday. Design still needs client approval. Put the report in our team folder by 4 today. What part is unclear? You may need slower repetition, a definition, steps, or confirmation. Choose one phrase and say it aloud. Just to make sure I understood. The demo moved to Tuesday, and the report is due by 4 today. Right? Could you walk me through the approval process? Here one final update. Pick a phrase and reply. The vendor pushed the delivery to Friday. The budget team needs a new total. Contact the client by the end of the day. Just to make sure I understood. The delivery date is now Friday. The budget team needs a new total. And I should contact the client by the end of the day, right? Maya did not understand every detail immediately, and that is normal. Maya handled it well by getting the clarity she needed. Now she knows the deadline, process, terminology, and every action item. Could you say that again, a little more slowly? Could you walk me through that? Just to make sure I understood, the review is Thursday, right? What do you mean by that term? Could you put the key details in the chat? Which phrase would help you most at work? Write the complete phrase in the comments to strengthen your memory. In the next lesson, learn to interrupt politely without sounding rude. Subscribe and keep practicing real English for real work.